Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question, are Google Photos private? And my short answer is yes, but I will show you some steps to improve it. Okay, so open Google Photos Google Photos application, then click at your profile icon at the right top and go to Google account. Then data and privacy, and right here I recommend it to disable application activity. Click at this line, then scroll down, and right here click turn off and turn on. Got it. Now we can go back, and as you can see it posts. You can do the same with YouTube history, but it's not for Google Photos. Okay, next is to go back again. Now click at your profile icon, scroll down and go to Photos settings. Then click at the sharing and manage sharing activities. Oh, by the way, right here also we have high video from motion photos, so you can also disable it if you have it enabled. Okay, so then manage history. Firstly, let's go to the links, and right here, if you have some links what you don't want to be public, just remove it. Let's say I want to remove all of this. Click at the trash icon near to it and delete. Delete, 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 and delete. Then check for memories, and you can also leave some conversation. If you don't want to, let's say you have this chat, just click at the top at the name. Then you can leave this conversation by click at the leave near to you. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!